I'm going to share about the Bible interpretation. So on Oasis TV, and then you realize so the Bible person say mo aba babugwa no pe and it kan ho na the previous topics now the fourth beast and the dark ages. I have read Daniel chapter 7 verse 23, you know, and neck in a day ever every year. As I say, this year it will be what is the fourth beast at all, and then the dark ages. First episode, you know, the second episode, you know, near you say, you share among the sea, say, you brace so no, the tribulations, and I said the dark ages are a year, Justinian decree, you know, yes, so you brace so a be a baby see, and no, a whole and a video, you better. If you anything come home, so share me share video, not like it, or like here, I know I share to other platforms, say your WhatsApp, and I say Facebook wall, say the be a phone to be the moon up in ya, na what is that? Sumasivia, Yadeba, Abunti. So, YouTube as well, Baba Modern said, like it, now subscribe to the YouTube channel. You will Twitter so. Oasis TV GH, Instagram Oasis TV GH, and YouTube Oasis TV GH. But as I said, well, like it, no, I share not from so any more HFA. This is the Oasis TV, and this is the Bible interpretation segment. Thank you for watching us. Today we have with us the scholar, the Bible scholar. I call him the Bible scholar because he has the revelation about researching into details of some of the concepts we have in the Bible. And today we have with us Mr. Caleb. Mr. Caleb, I welcome you once again to Oasis TV.
I take answer.
I hope you are well today.
By the grace of God, I am.
Are you aware today we are ending the fourth beast and the dark ages?
Oh yeah, in a very splendid presentation.
Good.
And then my viewers will like it.
Good, thank you. My viewers will like it, and so I will entreat you to share this video. And before that, try to like it and then share. In fact, when we say something and you don't bear with him, when he says something and you're not in agreement with him, just put your comments in the comment below. If you're watching us, just tell us where you're watching us from, and we will acknowledge your presence. Thank you for watching Oasis TV, the Bible interpretation. Mr. Ba, would you want to do some people before we start?
I would like to do that when the program ends.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. It's a for for the last episode of this program. Yes, as you know, I'm saying in previous video, the second episode, you know, you will say the Justinian decree, you know, within some time the year the dark ages, you know, some brother na you accused for the persecutee, accused for many years till say Napoleon ya boy ya sa Christian persecution no so etwaye na ye be ende no ya we say sense so ebeba bio ho na me yemi shame yemi sibiye ba anything be say ye be to asonti ko so kire say ye to aso ana say ye di dokwa wi ya so kire say sa persecution no ebe sense so ababi na would we also experience the dark ages that went on.
Alright, before I answer this question, I would like to start the lesson. And at your phone, I got a bua assembly. At your phone, I got a bua assembly. I was there, Christopher, yes, share new. na yehuru saa de no Yesu Kristo kan emra na owo bepo no so a o kyerɛkyerɛ na suafo no Matthew chapter 5 no kan say no hunu kofu akuaku no ko bepo no so wotena ase na suafo no ba ne nkyɛn na fi obie na no kyerɛkyerɛ won nsiru ahodo a nyame ana Yesu Kristo o ka kyerɛ na suafo no o babie no ka kyerɛ sɛ nsiru no mo sɛ wota mo na wɔya mo na medinti wodi atro kanse mo ne gu mo so mo ma mo ni nye na mo ho nsɛpɛ mo esa sɛ mo gatu aso wɔ soro na saa na wɔyɛ adifo a wodi kan no ɛno ti sɛ adifo a wodi kan yɛ wɔ mo saa de na adifo a wodi akyire no ana sɛ yɛn so a ya ba bedi akyire no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn so obi na ka no blɔfo you should look faithful
that one ka sɛ adifo a yɛtwa to
ɔse saa na wɔyɛ adifo a wodi kan no awu sɛ
but
ne
so nkyerɛ sɛ
okay
ɛna aside that yɛn nso yɛnyɛ adifo
ne no me nkɔ deɛ Yesu kan yɛ about crisis no ho but awu sɛ Revelation 2:10 kura kan ɔsi ɔhonam de mumu bebree bɛkɔ akɔyɛ den bɛkɔ akɔgu afi ase na mo bɛhunu amane dadu saa bɛ ne Yesu Kristo abakɔ dada o tama yɛdwerɛ Revelation na wabakɔ dada kakra nsa na yɛtwerɛ the book of Revelation ɛno di ase kyerɛ ne sɛ Yesu Kristo kaa sɛ ne ɔdɔ agya na sɛ nasen me no ɔmfata mahinie na obiara obedi n'akyi no ɔmmɛfa na sɛnua carrying or bearing the cross of Jesus Christ no is not easy because sɛnua ne da ne kɔn ho no na ɔbrɛ do ɔka sɛ ne kɔnua ɛyɛ haro but ɛnyɛ easy saa nti nyame yɛ adom a yɛn nso yɛ grace so let's start ɛno a yɛ ɛnde sɛ nyame yɛ adom a yɛn nso so awie yɛ mmerɛ no yɛbɛhunu amane kakra ɔmo sɛ Yesu Kristo ka asɛm bi kyerɛ asuafoɔ no ɛwɔ Matthew asɛmpa ti aduonu ɛnan no nkyɛmu aduonu Matthew 24:20 ɔsɛ na mommɔ mpaeɛ na modwane no amma awɔbrɛ anaa homeda 21 Matthew 24:21 ɔsɛ na ɛno na ahohiahia kɛse a ɛfiri wiase mfiti aseɛ de bɛsi nnɛ.
Okay.
Let's make emphasis on the word nnɛ. Sɛ no bi kenkan book wei 2000 years ago a ɔno nso bɛka ne nnɛ. Ɛni sɛ yɛn nso yɛkan ne nna yɛn nso saa ne yɛbɛka ne sɛ yɛn nnɛ. Enti ɔsɛ yɛyɛ haw na ɛbɛba no ahohiahia na ɛbɛba no efiri so ɔmo hyɛ aseɛ bɔ wiase bɛsi nnɛ bi mada ɛno nti Matthew 5:17 ka sɛ mutu sɛ me ba sɛ me bɛsɛ mbra na di for no mama bɛsɛ na mu me bɛhyɛ ma na nokora me sɛ mo sɛ ɔsoro ne asase ntwa mu akrɛdeɛ ketewa na nsensan yɛ bɛ akoko remfiri mu mfiri gye sɛ ne nyinaa ba mu ansa ɛno nti sɛ ɔsoro ne asase nya ntwa mu no deɛ yɛn nso so wɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ anim sɛ dwuma bi saa ebetumi aba nyɛ sɛ ebetumi aba mpo ɛbɛba adesua no nkɔ awie no obati ase de nti America sɛ ebeba na ɛyɛ prophecy a Bible nso so ahyɛ ho enkom ɛno ti asɛm wo yɛ Yesu Kristo kan no Matthew asɛmpa ha no AD 70 ɛbɛyɛ adwuma nra me kyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛbrɛ a the Roman Empire ba ya mo be distract Jerusalem no na yɛ dwane nti ɔka kyerɛ mo sɛ ne ɔwɔ da na tifi ne ma ne ma ne ɔwɔ afuom ne ma ne nsa ne ma fie sɛ ɔbɛfa bibi na ɔmo kuro no so nwa ne kɔ Judea ne mekɔ so ɔmo sɛ de asɛm ne nti yes ɛno ti esi yɛ ɛbam paa Yesu Kristo hwɛ wɔ mo na fe ɔka asa asɛm no ɛde to wɔ mo so enti wo hwɛ a na kyɛ sɛ duane ne sɛ AD 70 ɛna meka sɛ saa bi ɛbam ɛno ti yɛ read Luke 19:41 Yesu Kristo Luke chapter 19 verse 41 to 44 Yesu Kristo ohunu kuro no sɛ da hɔ no ɔte ne suo subu kuro no so sɛ ɔmo nim asomdwe ho asɛm a mo bisa asomdwe ho asɛm na biribi bɛba wɔrinya ɔboɔ so kyɛ sɛ ɔmo ba bɛsɛ kuro no nyinaa ɔmo nya dan bia mfa nsi hɔ ɔmo bɛtwiri bibibia ato including nyame na sɔre dan no a ɔmo ebubu no nso so ɛka ho no ɛno ti yɛn nso so yɛn brɛsi yɛwɔ dwane bi a Kristofo yɛbɛdwane yɛwɔ how bi a yɛn nso yɛbɛkom yɛwɔ ahohiahia akɛse a yɛn nso yɛbɛkom adanti na yɛbɛkɔ saa ahohiahia akɛse no yɛmfa ne sɛ na me bra bi esi dan na oja no hɔ kɔ aburokyire dan no wato foundation na wi ɛno ndi sɛ ɔkɔ aburokyire na kosi ne yie na ɔde sika ɔba na sɛ ɔpɛ saa dan no a Oba betua so say fapem no, that's the foundation no e wo hodada. Tribulation ne ba time ben, and I say a Christopher how no. Brebe ne ba e ba ye wo mre ko a. Ne ma Christopher how ne ba kese pa no, e na me pesa tiefo emu. Eno an say obia na waye na ho say oni sumbi emra enya aduma no, and I say onfa tumi bi emra enya aduma no. Na ye de sa lipa no akosa ahunyehi akese emu. Sa lipa no e den ya ye de beko ahunyehi akese emu. Endi panies bebria omo any Christianity ba ye omo di animu a akire na omo ne sorry to say Roman Empire no e was some argument bia na so mo wadwen foforo e wo mo ho no omo si bebre animu no omo kunkum bi mo they tortured them na ehu pa enti yanso ya brezu adisua no kwa bi no beti asese the same thing baba enti aboa na ye di tumi ma no e wo 538 Sabuana na legna homa, Sabuana na AD 538 very good AD. Na that time na he was the papal rule. I have friend the papacy. And the ono and 1798 538 AD. After 538 AD in 1260 days and no eba ye calculating man ba be 1798 and I ye 2 ni free. And ye 2 ni free on the Bible the gina homa say it was wounded. That one was what? Wounded. You're born about trophy. Let's take that verse from Revelation chapter 13, verse 3. Revelation chapter 13, verse 3. Asina me hunu se ni tiri no mu baako ete se de wabɔ no bɔtoro na wasa ne bɔtoro fɛ no na aboa no ho yɛ wiasefo nyinaa nwanwa e ma wodi nachi. Mesi su bio. Revelation chapter 13. Revelation chapter 13, verse number 3.
Revelation chapter 13,
verse 3.
Okay.
Or say, na mi kunu say, ni tiri no mu ebaako ete se de wabɔ no bɔtoro na wasa ne bɔtoro fɛ no na aboa no ehu ye wiase nyinaa nwanwa ma wodi nachi. Aboa na ohun ye na Yohane kan ho asɛm ne sɛ ohuna boa ne se opie ba ya na Daniel 7 ne kan wasem na chire Revelation so Daniel the Revelator se obehu aboa no on to describe no wo Revelation 13 mo no achire ohun se aboa no ase ya bria no brofno kan say wounded ase ya bria no na se ohwe na osan hu se bria na ya bria no ya san so ahili ni wound no eno ti ya bria no na ya heal ni wound no den ti na John the Revelator hu ya because se unya kuro na se ekwa the sky is there kutwane ye den ewo nti ohun se aboa na ye kan ho asem all these days ye kan ho asem ohun se no mo apira no mo asiansa ne botro fe ni se ya ye ti wodi o munya nsai adenti o munya nsai ye nwa de bi wo ha ye konkwo hwa de bi menim se obabi sa me question bi why is the wounded beast now? Let's go to Revelation 17 verse 8 ye best na read but yamfa Revelation 17 8. Osi aboa huhu no dabi na owo ho na afei die oni ho na obefiri bunu no mu aba na wabesene akọ osayem.
Okay.
Bible na ye samai bi misi su bio ye fa no 11.
Sure.
Revelation chapter 17 verse 8. Osi aboa huhu no dabi na owo ho meaning say time John o kan no ya fa say ye place wa ye kan ni dabi na owo ho. Me ba ta ase. Dabi no oni say the day na ato no osi dabi na ho na afa die oni ho say ya me no ka say no need to me nya ma say obey bibia. Why? Because in 1798 it was wounded. Aboa no say won take papa si Roman papa si no wa dia bia bio na nti eni ho say na mama so obey dey osi na afa die oni ho na obefiri bunu numu aba. So it is coming again. It was there. It's no more there. It's coming again. But what I say, and you know what? And nobody said, "Man, no, Christopher was ano." Now, when you knew, until free wanted to be free in 1798. Napoleon, I say, I can't the agreement. Now, also, and as I already now so, to me now they have Christopher. Napoleon didn't know say now or fulfill prophecy. Already, of course, say they were to go into what consensus. Sure. And I say into agreement, say, yeah, they are, but one year are not the first of all the free. but not na ho e de ba France e ma ne ba be wu and the free sabre na de be sin na onya tumi nyina ne nan so da na mom o beba asem no so beba dia foundation ben na wabo ato wo foundation obo to wo se na oka Christo fo no o bet one foundation ni so asini dan na ko enu ti se ye abo ne beba bi odi a ene na ne ma ne se de be ya ni ti se oba ni ono nko ane beba yes abo afufuro be boa no let's read let's read Revelation 13:11 13:11 osina mi hunu abo afufuro bi a ofri asase mu bae na owo mmebienu ti se adwama na okasa se opiase me ba twa ase
simu bio
Revelation 13:11
Revelation chapter
13 verse 11 okay let me take Revelation 13:1 no na ye hwe ba bia sa abo we na ka no ho se ni free bae ansa na ye ba hwe the second one ni free bae Revelation 13:1 Osi na mi hunu abo bia owo mmendu ni etire nso se ofiri po mu soreye na imotire edu abobo ne men na bususam awuwo ni tiri ho se ye ka se po a okay yama social for mo ay kakra minim se social for kire se wo fa wiase ni nyina na land no space ya nsuo cover no eso chain space ya eye asase pese enu di se Bible prophecy ka se abo bi free nsuo ma ba nje so free nipa domu ofrikuo kesiem na yeden eba multitude eno ka so abo bi so free asase so ba no free a very pocky area yes eba bi nipa domu se da yeden eni ndi asase ofripum dia na chese ofripa domu na yeden eba ndi abo na di kan free nipa domu na eba and about us be a little flat as to neighbor. India, but I wanted in Canada, you're making it clear, is the Roman Empire.
Sure.
That time, not that they come as a year brace to obey Roman. Year brace on emperor for never be so. It's going to be Pope, with any bishop the same. Make a confusion. Yabasana. I was a bit like them when I give 40 years. And the second one, I said, I mean, Revelation chapter 13, verse 11. I mean, I'm from here. Of years as Muba and our main you. Say a drama like the ram, okay, or the airway. Said here, come now. Okay, as I said,
and you,
yo, I say now. Okay, as I said, okay, see, or is there a drama, or is there a drama? Cry, yeah, Casay Bacano. Obiang. Who's a grand year to Christo Crap and I said, yeah, the grand to Christo or sitting in him. But Okasa, the voice not in the Zorkians here, the serpents. Serpent is here, Satan. And you are not by the own say, Tama Napoleon, or Costopo, the purpose in from persecution of the Christians, you know. America for in history almost of all. And I name liberty, Bia, America for him say, liberty no, and in democracy, I can want America for or Moka Mubina Aiden. Babaji, ni kama pa. Ose na oya boa woni kan no Revelation 12 na oya boa woni kan no ahode de nyina wona nim na oma asase ne wona wo titi so ekoto aboa odi kan no sorry aboa odi kan a wasa ne wuo piram enti aboa odi kan no ya sa ne wuo piram sese ye guso sa ne wuo piram kakra enti e bedru dabi no ye be sa ne wuo piram kora aboa otoso bienu no mame modi na nation dia me bodi aya na nsuo ho somu na me bodi aya na me pese me dodo ho kakra say okay nation wide no nation ben na all rule the world today you better say America
so clear say
clear very good America in America na the second beast who's America omo he broke to one deal omo ni say dan so bia o nti omo na odi to me eba bema no to say Justinian na onye pope no onye bishop e no di to me ma boa no in 538 AD me mata date and the Americans do the to me na ba so when say no aboa no e wo to me e be na to me wo Christianity so na America so the political authority na side aka no ho a obedi sa aduma no e nyina e wo ho enu ntina de e be kwa akoba no okasa ti say adwama na nso okasa say otwease and if you say, no, be that, boy, sometime, my Christopher dear, on a day, no sign the other. Mamma, for me, we will never carry Christopher from one and also. Time on reading the nations, state of the nations address. Minister no, made mention, he made mention of the construction of the National Cathedral. Yeah. Now, me a painting, but we met here, me have shaving, Papa.
Yes,
oh yes.
So you see, because say papa.
Prophetic student biya tis asem no. And obi follow prophet biya tis asem ni embedded. And peace news. Mama for you na mention. And peace news of Mokasa, they were talking of the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs.
Yes.
Prophetic student biya tis and so ni embedded. Because we know where they are coming from and where it's going to be landed.
So let us know. Yes.
And no one Christopher that persecution in the man. Sanya man or more national cathedral.
And they are being.
Men press I am being. Men press a bidi. And it's not full be a name, sir, but Medrico. Full stop. Medrico. And the Bible interpretation on Overseas TV. And it's all share now. What did you say? For comment into us here, you're betting time. Say, okay, and so may you be able to free. Now, acknowledge you. Share video be now for training more. And that's another say, no, but more than say, be like it. This is the Bible interpretation segment. This is the last episode of the fourth beast and the dark ages. So, are we also going to face the same tribulations? This is the question we are facing. And then, near Echo Idiot, I'm young to say, I'm sure you are tribulations, you know. Yet, so I would say, you would know, but as I said, if you call it a Yako, I come here and say, so the tribulations now, 538 AD, Echo 1798, a buy, you know. Yet, you are making time first go to Nokase. Yet, you are more than that.
This is serious.
Yeah, the crisis is no more than that.
It's a no, on one thing is to put them, you know. Sabi, Jesus Christ, by ya, or one to me, young Gomino, or one number of such tribulations. Now, say, yeah, Christopher, this Christian, you never go through that. We stand a chance of going through that tribulations.
Omo be come na disuana me last part na de omo be ba but me some people did say obi kura be ja video ni me omo be come no obi kura be ja we but me last way no e be kire me mo bia di but so ya who say the fourth beast in Daniel 7 no they now the Roman Empire.
Okay.
And Revelation, so I can want some more. Revelation 13, Revelation chapter 13, the whole chapter, and then Revelation chapter 17, the whole chapter. I can want some. And you see, you come no, and I said, one year, Jimmy to me in 1798. Yeah, place you the bad man, but the date be an animal. And you see, you better read some Bible commentaries, be a better when the pie is going to what? Give it to you. Just a fan say, there were two things Christianity and politics. Among ruling politics in the world now, America. And among also ruling Christianity or moody Christendom, no, Rome. A Roman minor and as a Roman song. Very good. And it is that to me, we never come. But America, I am a politician, another political, the highest political power or no, and now they power never Pope again as the Justinian degree. Was brought in the year 533 to 538 AD. So how does the second beast go to a one and a whole you know? But what I say, one I started to play in your bayano. Or so I can't walk. Revelation 30:16. Or say now man get 1 year Kessia, the 1 year here for this year and going in a Penema was shown a dry one sasso and as a woman. The Abuano American say na my year deserving.
So last part, no. The same thing you. Say now. Say
Revelation 13 verse 16. I say now man get 1 year Kessia. At the 1 year here for at this year name one na Penema was shown a dry one in Sanifa and now one moment. And the America
a mark on
the forehead and the right hand. No matter what that sure. The ever for the mark of the beast in the match there. And you say you bear your process that they are sorry being. No, it's not like that. But it's going to be said. You ever quack and say and
sure.
The ever you bet Chirasia Mayatia Papa and if you want to one out of me, you never first about the fourth beast in the end. Or bet what I'm a different ass only. near the so why is it now? You did can't Revelation 78 said there be no say you knew what now or better than why but he says they are saying now or better the and the last day's tribulation then never cause why let's read Revelation 2:10 or can I say chapter 2 verse 10 or say nsuro amania wori behunu wori says a my future tense
okay
nsuro amania wori behunu nsuro amania wori behunu biara hwe ohonam de mumu bi begu afiase na wasomo ahwe na mu behunu amane dadu sankom say album ye praise to best na album ebam wo AD 303 ekozi AD 313 ononso emperor bakwa friend Diocletian okay ononso ne this ade ne ba ononso Christopher Tabeka na AD 313 Constantine ba na oba be support ne dem na Constantine so be civil Christianity and Christopher early church no mo bre pa de ya so ase ya nya me fo na ya so ya de na nya fo no wa jire ho Yeri na mpana ebe kase ndi ya kase no e wa jire ho enti sa ase media eba mu e wo AD 303 to AD 313 o brother Diocletian na o persecute Christopher no ene niema na ekeka ho no enu ti ya nsusu ye brace no den ne baba besi me de madisua no e kwa wie ya no I would like to be quoting the Bible commentary. The Bible commentary, volume 7, page 975, paragraph 7. Okay. Or can't send you over. Let's read it. Or say the time is coming when God's people will feel the hand of persecution because they keep the holy the holy Sabbath day. And now will be some prophecy. Bible commentary na this about make sure mo amuati akanya sorry bidi na obo. Let me repeat. Bible commentary volume 7, page 975, paragraph 7. Or say, the time is coming when God's people will feel the hand of persecution because they keep the holy seventh day. And
because
they keep the holy seventh day.
That means Sabbath day, no?
Okay.
Keep it holy.
Yes. Because they keep it holy, they are going to feel the hand of persecution. And in the tribulation about Christopher, let's read Luke 13:30.
Not just say, oh, young people call no, but
okay.
Simon say, one keep the Sabbath day, when you say, they'll be free.
They are free. And yet, I will say it with much confidence. They will be free and free forever. This is a yes waba. But do you know what will happen? Young fan say, may Adventist says here. Unse na ezi sorry no bebre meka say ye on sorry bebre o mu keep Sabbath.
Sure.
Ndu the fan say that Sabbatarians no o mu nyina mu keep the 7th day. What? Decree number there is going to be a decree. I will read it. Decree number na say wo sumnum na nyame so one one ye beba be the seal of God. On so one you go. So let's read Luke 13:30.
Okay.
Luke chapter 13 verse 30. Osina me atikafo bi wo ho a wo bedi kan na atikafo bi wo ho a wo beka atiri. Enti omu bedi kan atikafo no. Atikafo.
Okay.
Those who are lagging back now.
That's right.
Officers obi aburo daga tem obi pipi obi yeseya na ase o Kristo no pese o decree ne say o de nyame apo no ono ba bedi kan na wo wafa Bible no de akata wani mu anyame wo nsu nyame ye you go back enunti ade nyame de so de ma no ye be ba be ye the seal of God som e ba that say we say read Revelation 13:16 no o tell say na obesa mo wa koto abwan ni honyi no it's worship and just say you go to the beginning it's worship. Now there is a counterfeit Sabbath, and that counterfeit Sabbath is Sunday. No matter what I say. And now ye the Lord's Day now a yesterday no so. And you see there is going to be a decree. Let me read it before the interpretation. Let me read this. When to come? Bible commentary volume 7, page 977, paragraph 9. Also Sunday keeping is not yet the mark of the beast, and will not be until the decree goes forth, causing men to worship this idol Sabbath. Me ba try to say. Enti after that ko ye the way.
I mean Misa we answer. Answer na what so. The first of all, the Bible commentary and the Bible no. And what is the difference in it?
Oh, okay. When we say a commentary, who is a commentator? Someone who runs commentary on something. And the commentary will give you details about the original thing. About that, that's it. So let's say the Bible is a course outline, and then the commentary is what? The pamphlet. So course outline will tell you that what is atom. If you go to the pamphlet atom, it will explain. So that is the use of the Bible commentary and then those Bible concordance. This ana as a chere etie. Eno nti ne nyame de so ne ma no nya nyina ya bire nyina Christopher ne say wan ne besu nyame. Eye nyame mbra du no unza da ye 3200 days ne meka to say nti madam nyame mbra du no wo so sete. Azumi say nyame aba sese aso bebu aten. Kale kam ne ma akwa gina ho. Oba e dia no du pa biaye na ma bi say nyame say dem mbra no so de mam 7 for me du pa biaye. Eni say nyame ni mbra bia obi kokotwa. Yeah, then you judge you be say, what did you man what for? Right. With a law. Based on the law, or the rule, or the decree. Me must what I say. And it's a nyame brabia abeda buaten. The nyame is the moral law na nyame na be to wear the 10 commandments. And nyame na denisa. No way in the Bible and nyame denisa kire. Can Exodus chapter 20 now or denisa kire. Mrano. Or no nyame na denisa kire. Me must what I say. This is yeti aswa. And no nyame de obeso ne ma no ena law no so in fact the Christopher ye ade atiefo amowe ma Christopher nyina ye ade e wo law no so mo nyame din ko obedi so nyo woni bi obedi so nya nyame fofo anka me mo obedi so ne eto so na ne say ka himeda na ye no kronkron na de o kan so de ma Israel for so ni won ka Israel for e ko no so mo de o mo Bible so ko be ba za ta say nti sa afo a mo kwa ko face tribulation bi o mo a brofo no kan say they are the heads. No mo ya say wo woni aboa na nya adwene bia no you face the tribulation. And it's simple to comply with aboa na decree. A decree will come. Ya praise to asem na make nya de atwamo. Ya de na make a decree is coming. Let me read it. Let me repeat it. Or say Sunday keeping is not yet the mark of the beast. Bible commentary volume 7 page 977 paragraph 9. Okay. Sunday keeping is not yet the mark of the beast. And will not be until the decree goes forth. Okay, so until say decree be back. Say, a failure. Who's a making SDG wanted? So Senate development goals. A failure moves that climate change, you know. Say, idea where we got a miniature in last year. Last year, we said, Tama, coordinated by President Maya. Yes. National fasting. That's how it's going to be. Who's the decree the bar say a Christopher ya etimani nina ya mama de say bede ya mama de say ya de ya fuba to was Wednesday na bompai okay ntu to one decree raba afendi ya Christopher nina de wiase no ko nko yi if you read Amos chapter 3 verse 3 o se ba du ba na ntia wo rinya wo ho ntia sia na se wo ware na we Pentecost no na o yire ye ya mfa ne se bia Church of Christ nia I want to mean say only obi na nemu adrenya ba ko a ayonfo na timi nkoso ndia Christopher ye bia si said ye siko that's the SDG ada na yentina se ye nsum nyame ba ko mompa yensrem because obi sum nyame Friday obi sum na Saturday obi sum na Sunday ndia se yan kasa kura no there is no unity between us ndia na yan father ba ko so ye hu say ye sum nyame ba ko so that decree is yet to come and it's a banswa it follows persecution or persecution follows it. Me ma try to say nti omo mo ko sofa no yes ade no. Enu ti decree ni nya meti hei obi a otie mi bia okipu Sunday no onya ti ni nyame age ne pe obewra ni aba abekipu Sabbath. Enya di asem na meka but obeba bekipu Sabbath. Ye wo Roman for bishop bebrebe a me mani ahu bia they keep the Sabbath in their rooms. I bet you say they keep the Sabbath in their rooms. Or that the open Roman bishop bia Penem ya sati de won muso betu ni kada. Ye tu na mo ko obi wo ko bisa ne ne di nkomo wo sumo ka kire se Sabbath day ne e wo ho. Na no de na djuma na o ye as a bishop. Into understand the do o shedi da bi sa. Na she say Sabbath day no that necessarily mean say
Fako memenda kokwa sorry, fako ezia sorry, but it means to say ubetimi kura ase one kasa okukwam na one meditate upon the Lord. Possible sir, is it accepted in that way?
No,
and I said I was say oko share you.
Oh, okay. On say yeah, brain so there no. I'm sorry much che you this be why so many churches sometimes to come here better na
you open that.
On say Israel for na there. No more sorry no kese na Jerusalem. Na ye man ni nyina no koso.
Yeah.
Nti me fa to ati ase omo so mu dem no. Ba ye de tite mu aba. Nti fekuo bi anyame apa wo mo se omo nkokko di sa adwuma no. Sa fekuo no ho na wo se wo do ho ko eden ekoka ho. But bring me better even sa fekuo no kura entumi nya kwan kosom. Nti omo be som no wo mu omo dem. Me ba sa ati. But ade ehia pa ne se no. Wo be follow nyame mra ne na nyame asowa no tribulation ne ba. Oh, bebre, kramofo bebre baba. Sunday keepers bebre baba. Eno na ye na omo kibu sabat so bebre omo ntima nyina no enam ne ye bi omo ye nyame asoba di so muri.
Okay, let's say it is not just about say obi ko sorry Sunday na so obi what is the word? Or accept the Sabbath day, no. But until say that decree ni beba, and that decree will be around the Sabbath.
Yeah. Say
the Sabbath day.
I bet you.
And you wa ubetimi ejina amasa Sabbath no.
Good.
Wona ojinama Jesus.
Wona ojinama Christo.
Nti say omo ko omo a even as now no. Omo wo
Sunday keeping no.
Sunday keeping no. So mutimi kwa then
they are safe. Yes.
Let's just say omo
Saturday keeping no until man na no back to Sunday. No ya boa no. Unso ka say omo je dia nsi omo ma so a. Just understand no. You have complied with what?
With the beast.
Very good. Anything me ko yes
until say side decree be by there. Sunday and the Saturday church is no there. It has no negative impact.
Any impact there says yes.
Says decree in my idea. It has no.
Yes, but yeah, obi bisa masem we ameta kan say. Se me besa me go sunwan a, card ye me fa no ba bia na ni kire na ye different. Na me besa me kodoma, se me besa me kodoma na me fa ka no de me fa ha. Mati.
Of course,
why? O se me de fa ha. Me ba twa ase. Nti obi Sunday keeper bi catch na me say, na se sa amre we ya o kan wa se media ba ye dey simple. Ade mu yesum dada na me say bra. Osum dada nti enya odi. Sa na bebre kan bebre so be fa na la. Ebe fufu amom because maybe the Sunday num dada. Like you see, as I was over na yemra over 60, meti dada. So why should I run?
That's true.
Me was what I say.
I understand.
But obi say the minute obi can say about TF tie no samra wanya ba pe obi enya me ante no na nya me be so je be kai say mpembi na me we Facebook abante bi kan say me so it's true. So let me go. Na onu udwane aba be face tribulation. Please are you getting the concept?
Yeah.
Very good. And with your mo omo be chire omo face tribulation your mo decree bi baba say ye nyina yam for one day and keep what I mean as Sunday ye nyina for one day and keep no na gine ba twen si so say ampa omo kan ho say Marisio fo aka Roman fo aka ebia Methodist fo aka nti asem we na ba yo ene ye nwane nko nti wo ba dwana ba wo ne aboa no nya adwene bia no you face the tribulation your boss on your breast so it's going to be worse.
Wow.
Yes.
It's going to be worse.
Yes.
Worse tribulations.
May come to. Yeah, President.
It's going to be worse during our time. I'm already shaking. You can see that from my voice. I'm hoping that by that time it should come after 100 years, so that by that time.
You wouldn't be alive.
I wouldn't be alive to face that.
Okay,
but the point you're trying to make here is that Judgment Day is just at the corner, and that whatever you do, whatever you are doing, and whatever you hope to do, you need to have Christ at heart and then at mind. For you will be responsible for anything you do with your body, and then you'll be responsible for every action you put now. So please let us know that whatever we are doing, there is judgment day, and the judgment day awaits us. There's going to be a tribulation, and that tribulation, for me, I believe, would be the end of this world. And where would be your stand?
Yes, sir.
Now, answer na yedi sir, Jumaki Ebekonevi. Okay. They said Bible quotations, you know. Okay. Yeah, outlining the well, Emma at T4. Yes, Bible quotations, you know. Said the Baya to be said on his own, or making research now, open Kenya, and then the Bible commentary, you know.
My the chapter basis.
Okay.
This is of our Revelation now. Already Revelation 13.
Revelation
13 in the whole chapter.
Okay.
Obenya this was even now you had it. Don't revelate any.
Okay.
Now the interpretation in Revelation 13 no. Ewo Revelation chapter 17, the whole chapter.
Okay.
Obeto sabuana who ni hano or to say Revelation chapter 17.
And so chapter
and 2 years. So 2 chapters we are na here the YBC. And
a commentary.
And a commentary, see a Bible commentary, volume 7. Bible commentary, volume 7.
Okay.
Page 975. And a page 977.
75.
77. So you can read 75, 76, 77. That pages no. And also they might move from one who na bed and say
any tribulation.
Any tribulation no. Say yes, I see no. Tribulation there, we don't know how it's gonna be. Sure. Say you could be they know. But what one Revelation can't say be 13:16 no. Or say now obi 13:17 no be around to me from no be around to me for JD or what abona Nigeria any be. Obi around to me from obi around to me from. This what comply with the beast. This happen what wouldn't answer and how do you live?
How do you eat and drink?
That's the question.
If you are sick, how do you get medicine?
India make us a move. What was that? Now no be a Mocha news. As I about 3 weeks ago, no more can Ghana card and once I say, a more babe all in one. Meaning what is that now? Ghana card and or more babe all in one. Snake card be share, Ghana card no insurance be share. What will be? How do you do transactions? Very good. So if it is Shema, how do you do your transactions? Yes, with the Ghana card and will be as a more yacht.
Sure.
Now, when it's one of the yes, or my card be a your papa is there. But the one thing I see, oh, the time of coronavirus was in the airban. Omukas and come over here, they will give you a card. As I hope say, who to point say, wow, one of the car, they will repent. Yes, I am my own for. It is a tribulation at the bra, a bear way.
Nasa, you may know ya, would they buy me? What do you know? And answer, what is your mono? Sir, COVID, Panier card, no, any Ghana card, no, ever relation between the ATM Masamana.
Oh, okay. An example na medicine here.
Good, that's fine.
Example na medicine here. But young idea. Ghana Hanaka a card here. Did I that's surprise a national what? Oh, there's a Yapaya card in Ghana. Ghana card is the same. ECOWAS. So it comes across West Africa.
Okay, that's right.
The Pedemco.
For one of December, it had to na emphasize Maggie and Renee.
Man, December, it had to a Mr. Christopher who you say, Yay, the entire meter is our word with religious fanaticism. Back at school, yeah, religious and moral tutor, or can't as I'm say. Onafa, Bob, we saw a Nasoria, open Trinity can send a Nasori. And young woman, I hear you say, young for Bible, no. John chapter 5 verse 30 now. Some more right close to me. Say more down one woman and no they didn't more than here. Let's read it. I saw read the Bible no.
Sure.
But Bible let's say I am fashion day. And some and I say maybe defend my sorry, maybe say what sorry. Young Bible no must say na can end day. Young call. Then I met some mind as your mom and church as here. ayewura prophet mu ehu kakra de nsori bebre yenkan saa de no yempe because ye kan ya yentiase nti nyame hu ye mobo no mind yentiase wo disua we na do nti amen
amen fantia to aso
entiase no kan koma wo assist nyame o hira mo pa na adwuma so na mobo ena mechia wona woni mi nyina ne atiefo a omo nso ehwe nyame hira mo no ma mutiase na onhwe mu din wo enkwa mo ma no susu emu nyame aduma kai na ye nya disua bi say nyame nim wo na obeji wo
nti that is our next video nyame nim wo na obeji wo okay but I'm gonna say okay the Bible interpretation Oasis TV so and then near yedi hum komo the last episode or the final episode on the fourth beast and the dark ages. Yahun said the tribulations are also during the Justinian decree. Actually no Napoleon ever Boama said decree persecution of Christians in the science so ebeba me no yebriso. I may know yebriso. He said we are marshal. So I am just we are marshal with that. I don't know say say read more on it. I say more research on it. Revelation chapter 13, chapter in Revelation chapter 17, chapter in Bible commentary. Bible commentary in volume 7, page 975 and then 977. You make this research we say na you see bibi na in Christo song NZP na ezita na bia yesere ne sinya kopon enhunye mobo na ondunye na hodo se de bitimi tina ma no ewo ebiebro but as so share me share sa video na so enyamu akunya ewo Facebook YouTube bibia na like sa video so do with us subscribe it or Facebook like your page na nkasa po Oasis TV GH1 na like your page and nkasa na follow ye uko YouTube so Oasis TV GH also like it like our page and subscribe it na atoma na no just press it so that any video you don't know you will be one of the first people to get it. I'm your servant Emmanuel Dansujan. Thank you for watching us.